Hey, this your girl, Little Mama, and today I am harvesting my potatoes. I planted 3 different varieties of potatoes, but only one survived. All the other ones did not have nothing in there, so hopefully I have something in this one. So this is how they looking. Trying to do it one hand. Hopefully I get something. Okay. Don't look like anything in here. Little baby one. Yeah, this is my little house. That's all I got. Well, it's better than nothing. I'm gonna do something with them, but I'll try again next year. Maybe I didn't water them too much because I have a lot of little baby ones. Maybe I used to water them a lot, but I did fertilize them and stuff. But I know some people just let it go and it just grows. Like I said, I grew 2 other varieties, and I ain't get nothing out of them. Just a little bit from one to the other one was totally nothing. That's why I didn't record. So yeah, that's what my little harvest looked like today. Thanks for watching. Bye.